All right, now let's work on a second project. Download the PDF I've attached below this video. In this PDF, you can see the requirements for an application called Vidly. This application is going to be used at a video rental store. If you have seen any of my other courses like my React course or Node or ASP.NET MVC, you're definitely familiar with Vidly. In all these courses, we focused on building the actual application, including the front end and the back end. But in none of these courses, we spent time designing the database. So I thought to bring Vidly in this course because it's a fantastic exercise for you. And quite honestly, this was a suggestion by one of my good students, Muhammad. He's very dedicated and has taken several of my courses, and I believe with such dedication, he's got a lot of success ahead of him. So, Muhammad, if you're watching this, thank you for making this suggestion, and I send you my best wishes. So download the PDF below this video, read the requirements, and design a data model for this application. You will see my solution next.